Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson with Angel Victor. So today we'll be doing a simple lick in the key of G. I wouldn't spend much time on it. I'll be showing you how to play this lick and then how to use it in a gospel song. Yeah, how to use it in your music. So it's very easy. So it goes from play like so we're actually approaching this note, but we are starting it from, so like da 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 da. So the lick is more like a four major, then a 4 minor, then to the 1. So it's 4 major, 4 minor, 1. It's more like an ending. Yeah, we'll use it for an ending. Very easy. Yes, that's how the lick goes. So 4 major, 4 minor, then to the 1. If you don't really understand what I'm doing now, I offer one-on-one private classes. Yeah, so you can just leave a comment to join one of the classes that's ongoing now. And if you're enjoying it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so like I said, the lick is 4 major, 4 minor, bar, and then to the 1 major 7, 1 major 9, no 1. Alright, so let's look at it in a song. They said, for that could not hold him captive, and that even Jesus is Lord. Yeah, that song. So Jesus is, we can do it here. So the ending, even in the grave, Jesus is Lord. Oh, even in the grave, Jesus is. That, instead of resolving to the 1, you go to the 4. Yeah, I believe that's it. If you find this lick very interesting, or if you find what you like interesting, please don't forget to like, share. This will help encourage me to do more of these videos. So don't forget to like, comment, share. If you have any questions, don't forget. If you have any videos you want me to make in the future, just leave a comment and I promise I will. Yeah, thank you and stay blessed.